friends, in this packet we have a bunch of things to do with pets. This one is a pet store scavenger hunt. It's 2 pages and you can take it into a pet store and look around. You do not have to go. You can look on the internet, you can look anywhere. You don't have to go to a pet store, but if you choose to, you can go in and chalk off when you see some of these things. A goldfish, a dog leash, a bird, bird seed, a dog collar. Sometimes they have crickets, dog bed, a fish net, a snake, a cat activity center, kind of like a cat house, a betta fish, a bird cage, fish food, a dog bone, a lizard, a hamster. They might have a dog at the vet part of the pet store, or a cat. Then there are 2 cages. One is a dog and one is a cat. What can you do with these? Can you make them into a mask? You can cut out the eyes and wear it, string on the sides. What else can you do with it? Can you make it into a magnet? Can you just color it for fun? You decide, but have fun. Then this one is a sort called Pets and Wild. And there is a sheet of animals on here. Which ones are pet you can have in your home and which one lives in the wild? For example, where does a dog go? Does it live by itself in the wild or is it a good pet? I would put it a good pet. What about an elephant? Would you want an elephant to live in your home with you or would it belong in the wild? It would belong in the wild. So you can cut these out and play it over and over, or you can glue it on. But have lots of fun. Bye, friends.